Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a folder on Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. First, create a test folder on your desktop to make things simple. Next, let's open Visual Studio Code and open the folder we created and saved it on the desktop. For testing purposes, let's create some dummy files inside the folder, including another folder within. Back on the original folder, you can see the files we just created on VS Code. Now back on VS Code, I'm going to delete some of the files and folder created on VS Code. Open again VS Code and close the original folder we created from File and scroll down to close it. The only thing left is to delete the folder we created from the desktop. We're done. Now you have learned how to delete a folder from VS Code. Thank you for watching. See you next time.